Hi there! Here's our math challenge for today. So the question is, what is the value of a squared plus b squared? Given that a squared plus 2ab minus 3b squared minus 41 equals 0, wherein a and b are both natural numbers. In mathematics, the natural numbers are those numbers used for counting and ordering. And natural numbers starts with 1, followed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. And if you're ready, here's the solution. And I hope you pause this video. Now, let's see if you got the correct answer. Now, let's see what we can do to answer this question. So our only given is we have a squared plus 2ab minus 3b squared minus 41 equals 0. Since we only have one given equation, so what we're going to do is to manipulate this equation to solve for the value of a squared plus b squared. Now our first step is to add 41 on both sides. Therefore, we have a squared plus 2ab minus 3b squared equals 41. Now notice that we have minus sign. Maybe we can use difference of two squares, but I don't see any squares. So what we're going to do is to manipulate this expression on the left hand side to make it a square minus another square. To do that, notice that this a squared plus 2ab is somewhat similar to the expansion of a plus b quantity squared, because a plus b quantity squared must be equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The only missing term in this part must be b squared. So we can do that. We can add b squared. So we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus 3b squared. But don't forget, if we add b squared, we need to subtract b squared. So that we have b squared minus b squared, this will give us 0. Right? Now, negative b squared minus 3b squared will give us 4b squared. Now take note that a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is definitely a plus b quantity squared. So we have a plus b quantity squared minus 4b squared. Now 4 can be written as 2 squared. And 2 squared times b squared can be written as 2b quantity squared. Now at this point, we have now a square number minus another square number. Therefore, we can now use the difference of two squares. If we have x squared minus y squared, it is equal to x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Therefore, this expression on the left-hand side can be factored as a plus b plus 2b multiplied by a plus b minus 2b. Now, simplify. B plus 2b will give us 3b. b minus 2b will give us negative b, and this is equal to 41. Now take note that a and b are both natural numbers. Therefore, a natural number times a natural number will give us another natural number. Alright? And surprisingly, 41 is a prime number. Therefore, the only factor of 41 must be 41 and 1. So 41 is simply 41 times 1. Now, this is a natural number times a natural number will give us 41 times 1. And take note that a plus 3b must be definitely greater than a minus b. Therefore, this is safe to say that a plus 3b must be equal to 41 and a minus b must be equal to 1. Now at this point, what we're going to do is to solve for the values of a and b. We can use substitution method, we can use elimination method, we can use comparison method, as long as you solve for the value of a and b. On this video, I will choose to use substitution method. So on the second equation, let's add b on both sides. So we get a equals 1 plus b. Now take note that a must be 1 plus b. Now substitute the value of a to our first equation. So this a becomes 1 plus b. Therefore, we have now 1 plus b plus 3b equals 41. Simplify, b plus 3b will give us 4b. Subtract 1 on both sides, we get 4b equals 40. Divide 4 on both sides, we get b equals 10. Now take note that a must be 1 plus b. Therefore, a is equal to 1 plus 10. And 1 plus 10 will give us 11. And there you go, we have the value of a and b. Therefore, a squared plus b squared must be 11 squared plus 10 squared. 11 squared is 121 plus 10 squared, which is 100. So 121 plus 100 will give us 221. Therefore, if we have a squared plus 2ab minus 3b squared minus 41 equals 0, wherein a and b are natural numbers, a squared plus b squared must be equal to 221. And as always, we're done.